guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to cook this is young bone pork. I'm gonna make soup with vegetable roots. Let's go start. First I'm gonna drop off this bone right here. I'm gonna boil until they're good and throw away the water, clean up at the same time. 30 minutes I clean out all the dirty water, the fat water. You know, when you're cooking pork, you have to boil it like half hour or 45 minutes and throw away all the fat. Get out. And add on the new spring water, clean water. So make a soup. Make the vegetable root soup. Alright. Okay, this is all my ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead. When you cook pork, any kind, feed pork, anything you're cooking, don't forget ginger, guys. Ginger set up the smell, okay? With the ginger, and also good for you any kind of it. And this tomato I plant on my own, organic, put in here. Let's make a good soup, okay? Bone pork soup. Okay, chicken soup, chicken broth powder soup. Okay, when you make cooking soup, I don't eat MSG, so just go ahead, put 1 spoon. 2 spoons, okay, 3 spoons, okay, good taste. Then I'm going to add the sauce about a little bit. That's it, the bit taste later. Anything not enough, over add on. Fish sauce about 2 spoons. See that? The tomato and bone pork, the pork bone, young bone. That's looking so good, right? Let me taste. So good. I need a little sugar in there because tomato make a sour. Okay, this is sugar. I'm just go ahead and tap just a little bit right there. Not much. Okay, just flavor. When I cook, I like white pepper, spicy up. White pepper, this is a lot more than anybody I use because I love spice. Spice from white pepper, not from hot pepper. Okay, looking good now. Okay, let me taste again. Now perfect. You can hear a good balance from little sugar and white pepper in there. So good, delicious. Okay, the soup tastes good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this vegetable roots in here. พดผักกาดขาวเลยพี่น้องเด้อพดผักกาดขาวใส่ลงไปยิ่งใส่ก็ยิ่งแซ่บ Okay guys, put all the vegetable root in here. This is very easy and healthy good soup. Okay, cook with no time. I'm gonna go ahead, let them cook, let the vegetable cook down. And healthy guy, cook at home, eat at home, and you can put chicken. You don't like pork, you can put chicken. Okay, you can put chicken in here, it's good too. Okay, but I'm tired to eat chicken. So just flavor a little bit up pork. So let them cook the vegetable down for a minute. Okay, so my vegetable roots cooking now. I'm gonna go ahead and add spring onion. This soup right here you can cook for 3-4 days. Spring onion in, guys, it's so good, very healthy. Okay, spring onion in. I have more herb to coming too. This is home garden spring onion. Using or eat vegetable. Eat all the vegetable more than meat. I put meat in here just a flavor. Just one flavor only. And then now my pak nang tu, the herb, put everything in, and this food right here when you eat. Feeling good, you have more energy and protect you. COVID-19, stay away because you eat good food. No way you're gonna get sick, guys. Okay, cooking food like medicine, the way I do every time, is very easy and simple. It's nothing hard at all. Done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. See that? All the herb in here, turn it off. It's so easy, and eat it 3 days at least. Turn off and close it up when my husband come home so we can eat. Alright guys, มาเด้อพี่น้องมากินข้าว Come on come eat with me and I have sake rice alcohol เด้อเราเข้าเราเข้า
Happy Saturday.
Yep, happy Saturday. Always happy hour at home. Enjoy.
Our kitchen is a restaurant.
Okay.
Every day different.
Yep.
Excellent meal.
Cheerful.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy
To
Saturday.
life. Happy Saturday.
Yep. Good. All right. That's a vegetable I plant on my own and outside. How good is that? Go ahead, more salad in the pot. Easy and simple, good food. One bowl. Get the juice. One more juice.
Oh yeah. Gotta have that juice on here. Put you some more in here.
It's okay. I'm good. Khao lad na. We call lad na, you know, right? Khao lad gang. Yeah, khao lad gang.
Rice.
Khao lad gang นั่นเป็นแกงสุป you know, on top of the soup, you know. มาเด้อพี่น้องมากินข้าวข่อยข้าวราดแกงมื้อนี้ข้าวราดแกงแซ่บแล้วกินง่ายๆแซ่บ Only one bite you know the taste is herb and tomato and plant
Everything mix together and make the juice rich,
only one bite
flavored.
มาเด้อพี่น้องมากินข้าวน้ำกันYou know the bone right here overcooked is so good. Oh, หิวข้าวมื้อนี้พี่น้องเอ้ยหิวข้าวมาเด้อแซ่บ Smell the herb so good. แกงพวกประกาศใส่กระดูกขางอ่อนแล้วก็ใส่ผักนั่งติดนั่งตูเอาเองพี่น้องลงเล่นคือกันแล้วจะเป็นแบบม้วนแบบปากที่ไม่ได้เทคออกหรือกันเทคออก
Got some more juice.
Smell so like smooth, you know, the herb smell smooth and tomato. So this is good wine. That's good wine. Good.
All right.
Cheers. Saturday, home cook and eat. เฮ็ดกินแล้วก็พากันเฮ็ดแล้วก็พากันกินGood. แกงหัวผักใส่กระดูกหมูขาวมันแซ่บๆพี่น้องแซ่บหลายลองเฮ็ดเบิ่งเด้อเอาล่ะสิได้ลาก่อนล่ะพี่น้องมายกอันนี้เราข้าวมันบ่ได้มันบ่มีเหล่าหลายมีแต่เป็นแบบกินออกข้าวนะเราโทบ้านเฮาเนาะเราโทขอบใจหลายๆที่มาfor watching. Thank you for watching. Keep follow up because I'm gonna have more new video coming all the time. Thank you guys. See you later. Bye.